itself, and somebody is approaching you. And a lot of times you don't even need a gun. People underestimate the tool that you can use. It's called the flashlight. Look at that.
Oh, that's bright. Oh,
It's all you need. Flashlight. Simple
Oh,
flashlight. Doesn't take much, but look at this. You can do other things. But hey, if you take out the person's eyesight, they can't see you. You can have other things lined up. You can have a baton, you can have a flashlight itself, you can have a gun, but this will give you enough time to get out of the situation. And last but not least, you avoid altercations altogether. So use your brain.